The International World Quality Commitment Convention 2019 took place at the Paris Regency Étoile Palais des Congrès Convention Hall. Delegations from 5 continents and award winners featured major players in top sectors from around the world. Leaders, entrepreneurs, managers, and members of the diplomatic corps were present at the International Bid Quality Convention in Paris. Recognition was expressed for quality achieved through management, teamwork, and attention to the communities where these companies and organizations operate.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, from Uzbekistan, we have LLC Gano Shifo, represented here to receive the Quality Commitment Award from Uzbekistan. Gano Shifo, LLC. Congratulations to Uzbekistan, to Gano Shifo, LLC Gano Shifo, for receiving this award here in Paris 2019. Mrs. Laziza Akbarova, Director, and Mr. Nilamutinov Lazanfari, Deputy General Director. LLC Gano Shifo from Uzbekistan, accepting this award here in Paris 2019 from BID President Jose Prieto. LLC Gano Shifo, Mrs. Laziza Akbarova, Director, and Mr. Nizamutinov Gazanfari, Deputy General Director from Uzbekistan. Congratulations for this award in Paris. Congratulations.